Sunday, August the 18th, 2024, Covered Bridge Road, Georgia Highway 211. We were headed west. Winder was behind us. I-85 was in front of us, Chateau Elan. We've turned right, we're headed to Georgia 53. We're going to catch development over here on 53. We're going to turn and catch the Publix, and we're going to turn around and catch where they're going to build a new Kroger. The Publix ought to be pretty far along. It's been a while since I've been over here. It was already ground broke. A couple of huge subdivisions over here. Huge apartment complexes. I can see gridlock in 10 years or less. Talking about doing these 15-minute cities. Some of these areas are just about going to have to become 15-minute cities because you're not going to be able to drive. A lot of these congested areas, these municipalities and areas are going to charge premium time prices for different times of the day. If you're traveling during a congestion time, you're going to have a fee or a tax that will be assessed just like the fast lanes. It'll go by your tag, I suppose. If you want to drive through that part of town, that particular time of day, you're going to have to pay to play. Video of this subdivision up here on the right, so we're not going to be going back through it. And I do have the where that shopping center where the Publix is going to be, but just when it barely after the ground was put in, broke on it. But yeah, all that out there to the right, huge subdivision. Hoschton, Braselton. We get up here to 53, turn right. 53 goes to through Winder, then on over to Watkinsville. To the left, it'll go through, go across, and then go through Gainesville. Coming up on that subdivision on the right here now. Smaller subdivision on the left. I don't think it's part of that subdivision either. Cresswind. Active adult living. So they've got multiple different types of housing in there. Okay, Publix. Is this Publix open now? It could be. That old house there on the left, I don't know what they're going to be doing with that. They're going to have to do something with that intersection over there. It's very hard to get out of. Okay, it's not open yet. They've got the fence across it. Okay, it won't be long though. It's paved. About parcels. Have this up at the front instead of down here. People in that old house probably owned all this land. They probably sold the whole kit and caboodle. I wonder what a caboodle is. A kit and caboodle. Heard that expression their whole lives, but they got the stakes in here. They may be staking it out for a roundabout. They may leave that house here. Nice house, isn't it? Okay, they got it cleared for the Publix there too. I mean, for the Kroger there too. They've got. Looks like they got some more. We're gonna turn right, then turn around and come back. There was another vacant place up here where there had been a bank at one time. We have video of it. There was an old vault that was still standing up there. Vault's still there. There it is. Come out here, that way you'll be able to look right at the Publix. Cul-de-sac, this old vault, this old bank site. All of this will be changed before long, folks. Subdivision has a couple of different sections. I don't think it's all one section. There may be a couple of different sections, a couple of different builders in there, 2 or 3 different builders. But it goes on for a while down to the once you turn out of here to the left, it goes on for a while on the right. I guess we can go all the way to Braselton and then turn right and cut through rather than we would normally take, I think it's 330 or 332. Yeah, but say cutting out through there. And then you Kroger out there. Painted white. You used to see a lot of that. .332. That'll bring you through over to 124. Go ahead and cross over, then it'll take you on over. You have to turn right, but it'll bring you out on 129, or if you go straight, it'll take you out into whatever the other little town is. We're coming through Hoschton or Hoschton here now. Maybe that's going out. We'll be coming up on Braselton here shortly. I think Braselton and Hoschton bump up next to each other. We're in Braselton now. used to come across right here. And now it comes across right here. We're going to turn this off. This will be a wrap. About another half mile, you got Interstate 85. And this is Georgia 53 that we're on right here. 124 to the right will go out here and dead end, and 124 to the left go all the way over through Lithonia. Okay, let's turn this off. It'll be a wrap.